Hi and welcome to TrendLog. In this video I will show you how to fill out the service log in the maintenance planner. There are several ways to access the service log in the maintenance planner. Click on the button with the tools to access the maintenance planner. You can double-click on the green service label to access the service log. You can scan the QR code either on your computer or on the machine with your mobile device. Or select Show in the navigation menu. You can fill out the service log as you go along with your service. The blue bar indicates how far along you are in the process. You can write a remark about the service in the comment field. You can access the uploaded instructions or papers by clicking on the file. You can upload a picture by clicking on the button that says Choose File in the lower left corner. When the service log is filled out, click Done to save it. Now you know how to fill out the service log in the maintenance planner. For more guides, please visit our website at www.trendlog.io.